It is with privilege and pleasure that I welcome everyone here today to the commissioning and an official handover by NNPC Limited of the state-of-the-art equipment, the installed 1.5 Tesla GE magnetic resonance imaging system, to the National Orthopaedic Hospital, Dala, Kano.
We gathered to celebrate not only arrival of a world-class diagnostic facility, but also the realization of a long-cherished dream of the management of this hospital, staff and patients, to have such a device. Hospitals around us will also benefit, not only the National Orthopaedic Hospital, from these images that this machine will provide. Mind you, today we are commissioning the latest and the most modern machine in the north of the Niger.
We've done so much healthcare interventions in Nigeria. It's one of the areas we're very passionate about. By doing this, we believe we are going to be strengthening diagnostic capacity with significant improved service delivery. And we're also going to reduce the burden of accessibility and affordability on patients. The people who are underserved, the poor people can get real health care at reduced prices.